Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the March-April Shots of Life kit. So the Shots of Life is geared towards our pocket page scrapbookers. You can also use it in traveler notebooks, your planners. This also coordinates with our flavors of the month, so it can be an add-on of patterned paper and embellishments for that. So just a lot of fun. And when you're a subscriber of the Shots of Life or any of our other kits, you have access to free cut files each and every month. This is this month's free cut file. Life is so sweet. These are designed by Cut to You exclusively for our Scrap Room subscribers, so don't forget to grab that. So let's dig in. I want to give you a closer look of everything that's in this month's Shots of Life. We're first going to look at the patterned paper. So with the Shots of Life, you either get pocket cards or you get cut aparts, sometimes 6x8 sheets, which we have this month, but they're usually 12x12 patterns on the back, so it's great to even mix in with your traditional scrapbooking. So with this month's Shots of Life, you're going to get 3 sheets of the 49th and Market Tranquility Collection. So I got a green stripe. Back has the text with the florals, a blue watercolor. Back again, those beautiful florals. Another one that's pink with the text, has a little ledger down here, it's little flowers, and the back is that gorgeous pink with the florals. So those can be cut down to your 4x6 or 3x4 cards. And then you're going to get a sheet from each one of the collections. So this is Pink Fresh Spring Vibes. So this is the 3x3 cut apart cards. These are great. I love this size. You can tuck these into the 4x6 cards. You can also mat them and put them in 3x4 pockets, or there's also pocket pages that have the 3x3 squares. So it's a lot of fun. You can also cut them apart and make embellishments with them, punch them out. We have a pink and white striped on the back. Echo Park, it's springtime, so this one has borders as well as 4x6 and 3x4s. Back is a really pretty small floral print, perfect for that smaller size. Then we have photo play paper, Showers and Flowers. Again, we have some 3x4 and some 4x6 cards. Great little journaling card. These would be cute to fussy cut as embellishments. The back is a little white floral and leaves on kind of that periwinkle purpley blue. From Cartabella, Here, There, and Everywhere, we have the 3x4 cut aparts. Love the colors in this collection, and I love little journaling spots like this. The back is another small flower print on that pretty green, that kind of sage green. Then we have Paige Evans' new collection, Blooming Wild, and she always has fun little border strips, and then some like these that could be cut apart for little labels, 3x4 cards. Her awesome, beautiful colors. The back is a plaid and purple. Full border strip with the little buttons, could be a lot of fun to use. We have photo play paper, Family Fun Night. So this is the game rules paper. A little border here with all of the dice, and then Sorry Not Sorry. I love those. And then some little square ones, which are little board games. So that would be fun if you're doing a 12x12 sheet or something larger, or like memory keeping. That would be fun to keep as a border. Then we got some 3x4s, and you can see we have a birthday party, fave games, a sleepover, or just movie night, family fun night, a puzzle. Back is a plaid. Then from Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Life in Bloom, we have the 4x6 cut aparts. It's a gorgeous collection. So we have some landscape and some portrait. All of the layering and the work done for you. Gorgeous film strip with the butterflies. The back is a gorgeous floral print. So one more look at your cut apart cards and patterned paper. And don't forget your 49th and Market. The embellishments are always a lot of fun for me, and as you can see, you're going to get a wide variety of different kinds of embellishments. So let's start here. Paige Evans, her new collection, Blooming Wild, you're going to get 1/2 of the sticker sheet. So this is the one that I got. So the embellishments will vary among the kits. I got some little scalloped borders, some word labels, florals, and her icons. For the Pink Fresh Spring Vibes collection, you're also going to get 1 of the sticker sheets. It's just gorgeous. I love all the little word labels. So that, again, there are 2 different sticker sheets, so you'll get one or the other. The Echo Park, it's springtime. You're going to get some of the frames and tags ephemera pieces. So again, those will vary, but these are the ones that I got. And I love these. These are from Simple Stories. This is the Color Vibes collection. It's chipboard. And so these will vary. I would think probably the colors may vary, but I love this because it's the thin chipboard. If you've ever gotten their card kits, you might have seen some of the thinner chipboard. So I like that so it doesn't make your pages bulky. So I got some yellow ones, just some great shapes to put in your layouts and projects. From the Simple Story, Simple Vintage Life in Bloom, you're going to get 1/2 pack of the glitter enamel dots. So these are gorgeous. Look at all that glitter in there. From the Cartabella collection, you're also going to get 1/2 pack of those enamel dots. So a wide variety of colors that you can use with all of your collections. From 49th and Market, you're going to get a rub-on sheet. These will vary as well, but this is the one I got. Lots of little sayings. You're also going to get a little rub-on tool, which is super nice. From the Photo Play paper, Showers and Flowers, you're going to get 1 of their dies papers. So these are where you can fussy cut them out for your embellishments. They also sell the dies, so if you like them, you can buy the dies to cut those out with. So that's a lot of fun. I love these. So that's perfect little embellishments to put on a card, as well as these little sayings down here in hello. So you're getting a little bit of bonus there. It can go in projects, but it could also make some little cards with your leftovers. So that is your Shots of Life kit for March and April. Be sure to check out all the other kits that we have available. Again, remember it coordinates with flavors of the month. So if you want more pattern paper or embellishments or cardstock to coordinate with this, check out the add-ons that go with that. And come over to the Facebook group and the blog and check out everything the design team is creating, as well as your fellow subscribers. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.